Hey guys, welcome back to your brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of the videos that I post. It's been about 4 weeks since we've last seen each other on YouTube, but I've been active on Instagram. So if you haven't already, make sure to follow me there to keep up with everything that's been going on. I just haven't been able to upload on YouTube because my mom did get married, and so all of that going on was a little bit too hectic for me to upload. But there is a reason for today's upload, and I'm so excited to share with you. Now, if you look at my hair, it's a little sad and very, very thin. I struggle with having thick hair or making it look voluptuous with volume and lots of moisture. Clearly, it's like dry. I haven't done anything to it today, although I did blow dry it yesterday, so that's why it's looking a little crusty, so I apologize. But the purpose of this video is because we are gonna try out halo extensions. I'm gonna put the video that inspired me to order halo extensions. Tell me that video does it make you feel like you need to order these extensions to either make your hair longer or a little bit more fuller. And because of the wedding, I was like, I wanted to have my hair looking a little bit more thicker than it usually does, because when I curl it, it looks a little sad. So I was like, well, why not order just in time for the wedding? And they did come just in time for the wedding. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I ordered. I ordered the halo extensions from GOOGOOHAIR.com. And here's what I love about GOOGOOHAIR.com. So when we're on the website, you can actually color match your hair and have somebody help you color match. So you send in a photo, 2 to 3 photos to someone that is directly specified to being able to color match online. And then you get an email letting you know what hair color would be best for you. So that is exactly what I did. I sent the email and they sent me back my perfect match right here. I'm a beginner at putting hair extensions on, so this was so easy to do. We're gonna do it together today. I figured I have a ton of videos to do, and I might as well get ready with you guys here and show you how the extensions are gonna look on and how I apply them. I already opened them because I did wear them for my mom's wedding, but this is exactly what they look like. So this is in that caramel blonde. This is the string for the halo. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And these are the clips. So there's only 4 clips in here. It is super thick and lots of hair and full. I did get them in a 16-inch, so the purpose wasn't for length, it was for volume and thickness. So all I'm gonna do is take the brush and brush them out. I'm also going to begin curling my hair, or like a subtle curl, not exactly a curl. This is what I use to curl my hair. It's very ancient. I really don't want to purchase anything else. So we're gonna go ahead and do this first. And then that's what it looks like. So it's not like a dramatic curl or like a tight curl, but that is how I usually do my hair. So these are the curls I get after I use the InStyler. So all I'm gonna do is kind of fluff them out, not necessarily brush them through, but this is Millie. Millie just runs across the camera stand. Okay, so This is what they look like after the InStyler. I'm not a pro, so I don't know if this is the exact part where you do this, but for me, it feels easier to go ahead and do this rather than apply it and then recurl it. I'm not sure if anyone does this, but this is how I do it, and it's easier for me. So I'm just going to randomly clip them on my head like so. Even if I look so funny, I'm still going to clip them on this way. And then I'm going to start recurling this part right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of part down this way, making sure that I have a little bit hair covering this way, and then I'll just go around like a halo, right? That's the idea. And I'll get it and make sure that I tie my hair up. So, like I mentioned, and I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm not a professional. This is just what works for me. So, it's all tied back, and it looks exactly like that. So all of it is pretty clear, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the extension or the halo piece, going to wrap it around this way and make sure all the clips are there. And I'm going to pull it to where I originally parted my hair. So normally with my old extensions, I would have to go in and tease my hair where it was going to clip, but these are actually wonderful and I don't have to do that. I'm going to clip, 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 make sure that this is right here where I want it. Make sure that all the final clips in the back are good, which is what I'm doing. I don't know if you can see right here. So they're all in place. Usually I always have the problem with the end, which is like this side. So now that it's in, I'm going to take the scrunchie off and pray and pray that everything is good. So we only have to do it once. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So it went good. So it went on good. It's like the perfect color match. You can't even tell I have extensions on. You can go ahead and put product after. I won't put some oil product because this is day 2 hair. So I don't want to make it more oily than it already is. This is the final look. Nothing too crazy. There wasn't like an exact crazy transformation, but I did put myself together. So I'm so excited that I was able to really follow through with my order at GOOGOO Hair Extensions, because when I saw that TikTok, I kid you not, that TikTok really influenced me. And I'm not usually easily influenced about a lot of things, but I had to have it for the wedding. And now I'm like, okay, so there's a purpose, not just a wedding. Like, I feel like a whole new woman. Like, it gives me like a whole new look. Am I wrong? Or is it just me like feeling myself? If you find any selfies on Instagram, it's just because I have my extensions on and I'm feeling myself. That was it for today's video. If you want to see more of my styles with this new hair, make sure to go ahead and look at all the other videos I'm going to be uploading, because today's upload is basically like a pre-upload of all the other uploads. Like I mentioned before, I am going to put the direct link to the hair extensions down below, and I'm also going to make sure to let you know what color I ordered, just in case you have the same exact hair color. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
It's a beautiful day to be alive. It's feeling like the day to get it right. Looking at my fears, looking at my doubts, telling them that they don't belong here no more. I need to let them go. I'm about to get it all, rolling with my team. Don't be coming at us cause it could get the mean. We about to ball. We about to ball, ball. They be sleeping on